Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the symptoms related to the headache given in the Allen's keynote and which are important for the multiple choice questions or the questions related to the various examinations like MD and medical officer examinations. The first remedy is the Allium Sipa, in which there is the headache which is aggravated in the warm room and gets better in the open air. And headache is also ceases during the menses time in alien sipa and returns after the flow disappears. There is other two medicines like Lexis and Zincum that is too related to this symptom, where all the complaints gets better by the appearance of the menses and returns after the menses ceases. So the next one is the Agaricus Miscarriage, in which there is the headache of the persons who are having spinal affections or the spinal diseases from where their headache develops, and they also become delirious in the fever with pain. And these are the persons who are having chorea, having twitching of the muscles, etc. And next one is the aloes, belladonna and bryonia, where the headache across the forehead is got aggravated by the every footstep. And next one is the ammonium carb, where the headache is like the sensation of fullness as if the head would burst. And this is also written in belladonna and gluonine, and this line is very important. Question is very rare. Carboanimalis, the next medicine, where the headache is like as if the tornado in the head and as if head will be blown into the pieces, and has to sit up at night and hold it together with his hands. This is the carboanimalis headache. The next one is the Mili Rotus Alba, where there is the violent congestive or nervous headaches, which is ameliorated by the epistaxis, that is the bleeding from the nose. And the other medicines related to this is the bufurana, ferrum, phos, and the manganese. And next, as I have already told you about the Lexis, that there is the headache of the drunkards with congestive headaches and hemorrhoids. And if there is the bleeding in the Lexis, then there will be the amelioration. And natrium, where the headache is before, during and after the menstruation. And next is the Kalibai, where the headache is preceded by the blurred vision, and this is also present in the gelsemium and the lactef. And in case of gelsemium, where the headache is ameliorated by the urination. And next one is the Dalkamara, where the headache is ameliorated by the conversation. This is very rare type of symptom in the materia medica. And next one is the anacardium, where headache is entirely ameliorated by eating something, and this is also related to the surinum. In case of surinum, the patient gets up at the night and he has desire to something to eat. He is hungry at the night. And the other medicines are Sina and sulfur too. They too are hungry at the night time and they need something to eat at the night time. So surinum is also related to the hunger, headache due to hunger, and ameliorated by eating something. And next is the phosphoric acid medicine, in which there is the headache of the school girls and the person who has suffered with the recurrent typhoids, having weakness, and overuse of ice in case of the phosphoric acid, and from the eye strain. The headache is from the eye strain, and this is anemic girls, and this is also related to the calcarea phos and natrium 2. And these two medicines are again anemic, like calcarea phos and natrium 2 are anemic. And this headache of the students who has grown too fast, that is for the phosphoric acid, the remedy. And the next one we will talk about the cactus, where the congestion is the main symptom for the headache. Patients feels as if he has been twisted or turned in the wires, and weight-like feeling on the vertex region, which aggravates, and this weight-like the pressure amelioration on the vertex is in the minianthus. And as we know that the cactus is related to the climacteric period too, so the headache of the climacteric age is the medicine cactus, glonine and laxis, and we have to differentiate these medicines on the other symptoms too, but this is relatedly especially to the MCQ type. So headache and neuralgia in case of the cactus, and there is the periodicity, that is 3 a.m. and 3 p.m. of the various symptoms of the cactus. And right-sided headache, throbbing, pulsating pains in case of the cactus. And next medicine is the sanguinaria, where the headache is periodical, comes after 7 days, and there is the headache begins in the morning and gets aggravated in the afternoon, and aggravated more till the evening. So as if it would burst, as if the eyes would be pressed out and relieved by sleep. This is sanguinaria, headache relieved by sleep. And there is the American sick headache, militated by the perfect, quiet and dark room. And this is sanguinaria, the symptoms for the headache. Headache being started in the occiput region, spreads upwards and settle down in the right side of the eye, that is sanguinaria. And the other medicine is the cilicia. Sanguinaria and cilicia both are the right sided, where the headache settle down on the right side of the eye, and the left side is the spigy, as we all know. Headache returns at the climacteric period. Sanguinaria is again related to the climacteric period of the medicine, and every 7th day the headache of sanguinaria reoccurs. That is the periodicity for the sanguinaria, and every 8th day it is the iris V. So this was about some of the medicines for the headache, and other medicines we will discuss in the coming time. Thank you so much.